Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy that I can show you the free ads posting sites to make $200+ in affiliate marketing with absolutely free traffic on the ClickBank marketplace. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make a decent amount of money with this specific and exact strategy for absolutely free. So I'm going to share with you step by step that how we can set up and how we can copy and paste and how we can have a profitable free ad posting site actually that can really convert and make a decent amount of money from that. So what I want from you to watch the video to the very end, to do not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss it then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly this method and this strategy is working. So another thing and another requirement that I need to have is to just hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And then if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for these brilliant contents actually that we are uploading every single day. And you will be the first person to get benefit from that and get notified of that. So let's begin the strategy and not further waste time. Let's jump into straight into the method. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with the ClickBank, JBZoo, Warrior Plus, or Digistore 24 or any other affiliate networks you are preferring or it is available in your country. You can sign up with that. I'm using the ClickBank, so it depends on you. I just simply log into my account right here. So once you sign in, then you can go to the marketplace right away here, and then you can simply scroll down all the products and main categories right here. Basically, I can simply choose e-business and e-marketing category. So once I hit that, then I can simply just click and available this interface will be for me. For example, this will be one product, this will be another product. So any other product that you are interested with, that you can simply choose and you can start making money from that. For example, I'm choosing the Click Wealth system. So I can simply just see the sales page and also affiliate tools area right here, for example. So once I click the sales page, so that will be open and that page will be just pop up right here for me right here. And people, when we redirect someone with our own special affiliate link, so if we just send to anyone or anyone visit to that, so they will be definitely come back right here to the sales page of the click wealth system right here, which will be this one right here. So it is just popping up right here, and that you can see here that how it will looks right here. So this is the affiliate tools area right here of the click wealth system, and they have provided us a lot of things right here and a lot of information and a lot of things, for example, that how they can set up and how we can promote it right here. So this is the complete guide that we can simply use and start making money from that right here. As you can see here, they each and everything they have provided for us and some example right here. So we can simply just copy and paste. If you want more things, for example, like affiliate tools area and affiliate tools, for example, the email swipe and other things, we can also use right here, or we can simply click here if you have already subscribed or something like that. And so we can simply just click on this one right here. So once we click right here, or if you're the first time, you can simply use your login or your son, for example, your name and email address, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. For example, if you don't have account, you can simply sign up for one, but if you already have, it is great. You can use your direct affiliate links from there and you can start making money from that. So here are the different email swipes that they have provided for absolutely free. We can simply just copy and paste and start making money from that. So how we can do that? So once we just set up and find the product, and as well as here, for example, the email swipe, the next step for us will be that, for example, that we can simply go to the affiliate the website. That which website is that? So basically we can use simply this website, with the name is worldprofit.com. Remember, worldprofit.com is the main website, and this website is providing different things, for example, on this website, and it is absolutely a paid website. Remember, it is paid. Okay, it is about web hosting, for example, affiliate marketing, sales training, for example, technical support, website management, and live business center is that for different people around the world, and that are definitely helping them, for example, and they are providing different training in those sections right here on this website. So you can visit to this website and you can learn all the things, but we don't need actually their paid traffic. We are using absolutely free traffic, and how we can see and how we can maximize the result from that for absolutely free. So stay with me to the end of this video. The first thing is that you just need to click on the join our free membership button right here. Once you click on that, you will be visited to this page right here. You can simply add your first name, and then you can add your email address, and then click on the get started now. So once you click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here. Okay, let me just go there. You will be visited to this page right here, and they will ask you to just activate your account first. Okay, so then you can simply go to your inbox, and you can simply see here this button right here. You can simply click on that, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. Once you redirect to this page right here, for example, then what you need to do, we can simply have a training also, and there will be a person to guide you right here if you want. For example, this is the question, turn on live business center. If I just click on that, so there will be a live business center. For example, there will be a person, she or he can just help you if you have any question or concern, so you can simply contact right here. So this is the question platform right here, and here they can talk to you right here, as you can see here. Okay, so if you have any question right here, you can simply just type it and they can answer for you. But in this video, we don't need their questions right here or their answer right here. I can tell you shortly. Let me just turn off this now. Okay, I can simply just click on turn off, so that will be turn off right here. So here you will have on the left side the main categories right here, like for example spatial, pre-classified ads. You can see here this button. You can simply just click on that, and then you will have another option, place ads for free. You can simply just click again on that one as well. Once you click on that, so you will be visited this page right here. As you can see here, there are many people that they are posting their ads right here. But the greatness about this website is right here, if you just submit one ad right here, so that will be submitted into 462 plus hosting these ads and growing. Okay, so it means that you will submit up to 1462 ad sites right here. So how we can do that? We can simply just have the option right here, post ad. We can simply just click on that. Once we click on that, I have already submitted the ads right here on this website right here, as you can see here, but there will be the option for you. Okay, if you submit, then you need to just check some ads on this website right here, and then you can be available. It means you can earn some credits, and then you will be available to submit on uh, uh, other ads right here on this website. Okay, so the more ads you submitted, the more money you will get on this website right here. So simply they will just require your title, description, and your affiliate link. So you can definitely just go back right here to the main website, actually the affiliate tools area, and here will be your title, and here is the description right here that you can simply copy and paste it in the description section. And this is not only one, you can use the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, the seventh one. So these are the different email swipe that you can simply copy and paste right there. And the affiliate link, you can simply just go back right here, the ClickWell system, and click on the promote button right here, and you can simply add your ClickBank ID and as well as here the tracking ID, and then you can submit your ads right here on this website, and simply click on the generate hop link. And after generating hop link, for example, let me just click on generate hop link right here. I can have this special affiliate link for me. I can simply just copy that and then go back and add it in the website section right there. So that is the simplest way to make money online on this platform right here, and make and generate some extra cash from this method and this strategy. If you do want to make more money online than this, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be redirected to this page right here that you can simply read that each and everything step by step right here. There is a short video, you can also watch that video right here, and you can also see here the tips, tricks, and bonuses all available on this website, that how you can make money on a two-pilot system every single day. So right here on this website and this app right here, So everything and a two payload. So if you are agree with that, then you are good to go with that, and you can generate a decent amount of money from that. So check out the first link in the description for more details and more information. If you are agree, so then you can sign up for that. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.